Hello, so if you're watching this video, it means that you wanted a little bit more guidance on what we were doing today. So let me just show you how you're going to be doing today's assignment. I'll go ahead and share my screen with you. Okay, so you're at Google Classroom. Let me go back to the main page, right? If we look at Tuesday's assignment, it'll tell us to use this document. Just pull it up there. You can see it's about the Mexican-American War. Go back to here. You're going to learn about some different perspectives from the Mexican-American War. You're going to read through the questions and answer them by going through the different people in the document. Remember that you need to answer at least 3 of the questions. If you feel comfortable and you've got time to answer them all, that's great. Go ahead and answer them all. If this is really challenging, make sure you finish at least 3. Okay? So if I look at the questions, right? It'll be right here. You need to find someone who, in the first question, find someone who fought in the war on either side, right? And then once you find that person, write down who that person is and what their experience was like, right? So we've got a bunch of different people we could choose from, right? U.S. military personnel, there's 5 or 6 different people. There's 2 people that were Mexican military personnel, and I could use either of them to answer question 1, okay? Just write down their name, what their experience was like. When you click on these, use Colonel Ethan Allen Hitchcock as the first, right? You'll click on them, and it has some information about who they are and what their views on the war were, okay? Some other questions might include find someone who supports the U.S. war with Mexico, right? So that's going to be finding someone, presumably who's American, who supports them declaring war on Mexico. Find someone who opposes the U.S. war with Mexico. That can be someone from the United States. It could also be someone from Mexico, right? And when you're choosing these different people, I mean, be purposeful with who you pick. It's going to take a long time if you go read through them all, right? So when I'm looking at, for example, find someone who supports the U.S. war with Mexico, probably not going to be the Mexican military personnel, right? More chance that it's maybe a U.S. politician or a civilian or a U.S. military personnel, right? Find someone who has opinion on why the United States is at war with Mexico, right? So the reason that they're fighting. Find someone who saw things that shocked them. Find someone who lives in a different part of the country than you do. So if you do number 6, you can basically choose everyone except the Oregon Trail wagon train member, right? Any other person will be from a different region. Find someone who stands to gain from the war, benefit from the war, and find someone who stands to lose, could end up losing something as a result of the war, okay? Try to find different people, right? So don't go ahead and answer the same person multiple times, right? Make sure you're answering at least 3 of these questions. And if you feel like you're going through this, go ahead and do all 8 of them, all right? Okay, I'm going to stop sharing. Hopefully that helped clear things up if you were a little confused. If not, please comment during office hours, and I will do my best to respond to people in real time and get those answers to you. All right, take care.